Chapter 4. How can a youth worker interact? Non-formal activities to integrate into youth work. The Chapter 4 is a collection of non-formal methods for the inclusion of intercultural action competence in international mobility projects. They focus on 4 different levels to foster. Number 1, different perspectives. Number 2, cultural values. And 3, cultural diversity. Here is an example of different perspectives. Title: 2 Visions for One Reality. We all have a different representation of the same reality, based on our experience, our culture, the context, and our perception of life. We wear our own so-called personal glasses, through which we see and understand the world. This influences our behaviour and our perceptions when meeting and interacting with other people. Aim of the method: to raise awareness about different perceptions of the same reality, especially in intercultural contexts. Learning outcome: when meeting somebody for the first time, if prejudices are identified, we can try to go beyond them to establish a relationship that goes beyond the stereotypes conveyed by our society. To do this, it's important to reflect and to identify our representations. Through which glasses are we seeing the world, and take the necessary distance to change, to learn to perceive things differently, and thus transform the vision that one can have on the other. Target group: young people aged 14 to 18. Group size: maximum 20. Duration: 30 minutes. Materials needed: 2 letters, see Appendix 1, Part A and B, printed and cut into 10 pieces for each paragraph. Each piece should have a number behind to keep the order of the text. Here is an example of cultural values. Title: 60 seconds equals 1 minute, or does it? Description: making clear that people have different perceptions of time. It is a good introduction to an activity about different values. Aim of the method: to raise awareness about different perceptions of various notions, for example time, depending on different representations that are particular to each individual, even in the same culture. To prepare students going on an international mobility programme to different perceptions of time. Learning outcome: this will help you to talk about different perceptions of reality in different cultures and within the same culture. Target group: pupils from 14 to 18. Duration: anything up to 2 minutes and 30 seconds. Materials needed: the facilitator needs a watch, each participant needs a chair, and if there is a clock in the room, cover it with paper. If the clock ticks, then remove it. Here is an example of cultural diversity. Title: how diverse is your universe? Aim of the method: to visibly see the different types of people you encounter in your daily life. To begin thinking about your level of interaction with people of different races and ethnicities. Learning outcome: this will help you to talk about different perceptions of reality in different cultures and within the same culture. Target group: people from 14 to 18 years. Duration: 30 minutes. Material needed: clear plastic cups, 1 per person. Coloured beads: 1 colour for each ethnicity and enough beads in each colour for each person for each question.